Now, let's look at some primary 4 questions about condition and logic. Here's the question. Of the 3 people, A, B, and C, there is a good person, a bad person, and a liar. The good person only tells the truth. The bad person only tells lies. And the liar can tell both the truth and the lie. One day, C said, B is neither a good person or a bad person. B says, one of A and C is a good person. Please find the identity of the 3 people. Now we can see that there are 3 people, A, B, and C, and 3 different identity, good person, bad person, and liar. So now let's make a list to help us to find the correct answer. So for the first condition, we assume it is true, which is B is neither a good person or a bad person, and C is telling the truth. Then we know that C will not be bad person and B will not be liar. Then let's assume the second condition is also true, which is B is telling the truth and one of A and C is a good person. Then we can see that we will take all the A, B, C for good person. And this is not the situation that we would want to find because there is only one good person here. And we can see that if the second condition is true, we can't find the answer. Then what if the second condition is false? Then we will see that B is not telling the truth and one of A and C is not a good person. So all A, B, C will put a cross in good person. And again, it's not the situation that we would not want to find because there will be one people that needs to be the good person. So now for the second condition, both true and false will not help us to find the correct answer. So the problem is in the first condition, which is the first condition should be false, which means that C is telling a lie and B is the liar. So we can put a tick in B being a liar and put a cross in C being a good person. And now we have find the identity of B. We can put the cross in the other boxes. And then now you can see that there is only 3 boxes left. And for C, he can only be a bad person which tells lies. So it is suitable for the condition 1. And then A will get the leftover boxes, which is A is the good person. And this is also true for B to say that one of A and C is a good person, as a liar can tell both the truth and lie. So finally, we will find that A is the good person, B is the liar, and C is the bad person.